Welcome, guys. Welcome to episode 2 of Introduction to Forex Trading. My name is Fortune. I'm a professional Forex trader, guys. So in this video, let's just do a quick recap about previous video. That means the episode 1 Introduction to Forex Trading. So in the previous video, I mentioned something about what Forex return daily on market, which is about $6 to $4 trillion in a day. And then, by the way, so in this video, like in the previous video also, I said something about candlestick, Japanese candlestick. But rather in this video now, so I'll be saying a lot of things about what is traded on Forex. Number one, in Forex we trade currency pair, just like GBP USD, like this one, like Euro USD, like gold. Gold is not currency pair, we call it commodities. In Forex trading, we trade commodities, which is example is gold, gas, silver. Even in Forex, we trade stock markets like US oil, US 30, Nasdaq, and Nas 100. Those are stocks. In Forex, we trade futures. In Forex also, we trade crypto. Yes, crypto is in Forex market. This interface is what we call trading view. It's just the moment we're to send, it just tells us the information about trading. So the next thing or the next object market is doing, because this trading view analyzes everything, both the upside and the down, and it has some instruments to use in order to plot our setup. So that's what the trading view is for. So I think I've mentioned what is traded on Forex. I don't want to make this video long. And then, what is Forex broker? About this Forex broker, a lot of you may have know a lot of Forex brokers such as XNS, FBS, HFM. Those are Forex brokers. We have many. We have Orlando Market Capital, we have Hot Forex, we have FSCM. So these are brokers. So the function of them is like we are going to bank. I want to deposit money into my bank account. Assuming that I'm using Jais Bank, or let me say I'm using UBA Bank, which is Popular Bank. So and I say that and I go with my, like an example, I go with my $30,000. Let me just say 30,000 naira. Or let me just say 100,000 naira. I deposited the 100,000 naira into that account, so which I have access to that huge amount of money with the ATM card or with the writing off my security. Like I just write off my withdrawal slip and present it to the counter, so then I will collect money, or I can use my ATM card. So the purpose of broker is to connect us to markets. We are depositing money to them. We are trading in their platform. They are the one they are giving us withdrawal, and we are depositing to them also. So that's the work of Forex trading. But I'm still going deeper. I will still go deeper about this broker also, so that you know good brokers from bad brokers, so you won't be a victim of bad brokers or a broker that have huge spread. I will also do video about the spread also. So this is just the introduction. This is the episode 2. So which I don't want this video too long. That's why I'm taking it step by step. I think I've mentioned about Forex broker, and then trading time and trading section. We have a lot of trading section, but to me as a Nigerian, so I'll advise you as Nigerian to stick to just 2 trading plan, just 2 trading section, which is good for day trading. But if you are not a day trading, you can use any other section. So before I forget about the trading section, we have Sydney section, that's trading section. We have Tokyo section, we have London section, we have Frankfurt section, we have New York section. All these sections are in the section of some countries. Now let me give an example of London section. So London section is those that are living in Britain, like they believe in breaches from London, um, London section, those that like living in London, Britain, yes, Britain. So because normally their time zone is 8 a.m. but it's like they are working in a bank. They are doing a 9 to 5 job. You know, bank open here in Nigeria in 8 a.m. and close in 4 p.m. in the evening. So if you have more power, so you can go to bank around 5 and you will get money. But let's just leave that aside. So bank open generally 8 a.m. and close in 4 p.m. Or let me say 5 p.m. So that's what's applicable to forex trading also, to this trading section. So this country banks like London, Bank of London, Bank of all this Euro Bank, Britain Bank, GP Pounds, all these things opened in 8 a.m. in their sections. If you check on Nigeria section versus London section, you see it's 8 a.m. and close in 5 p.m. But what about New York section? The New York section is for those that are in America, Canada. So those are New York section. So those are what? Those are the New York section. And we even have Asian section also. To me, I can say all the section doesn't necessary because I've break it into 3 section: London section, New York section, and Asian section. So for a best time to trade for we Nigeria is between the 2 section, between London, which open around 8 and close around 9, around 5 p.m. and New York section, which open around 2 p.m. That's where we have overlap and the market will be moved very high and then close around 9 or 10 p.m. in the evening. So let me show you some section with this indicator now, which you are going to see for yourself. As you can see, this is, let's say this A. This A stands for New York section, and like for Asian section, and this L stands for London section, and this N stands for New York section. So these are the move since Asian section, then London section came in, then New York section goes. This for the Asian section, this for the London section and London section rather, and this for the New York section. So as you can see, a currency pair that move in Asian section, where we can have like JPY. So before going to that, let's move to the form of trading. So the form of trading, we have 2 types of form of trading. We have fundamental and technical. I'm still going deeper into that also, because fundamental is about news, which we have like the news on Forex Factory. As you can see, this is the news where we check for the fundamental. The red folder is the high volatility move that impacts market. While this blue one, as you can see, the yellow row is the low impact. While the brown one, let me see, maybe I can see the brown here. Okay, this is the brown. This is the medium impact move. So that's just about the fundamental analysis. It still get deeper. So because this just like introduction to Forex. So for the technical, that's where you can see I'll be using some chart pattern, candlestick, high and low of the week, using some other confluences. That's based on the technical. To me, technical is just we tell me the direction where the market will probably move next by using the past direction, the past history of the chart to predict the next move of the chart. The past one, I'm using the past movement of the chart to predict its future movement. That's just all about technical analysis for now. And then, so what is traded? The currency pair. So I've mentioned what we trade in market. We trade commodity, which is good, like this. We trade stock. I've mentioned cocoa, US30, Nasdaq, NSE. So now let's base on this currency pair now. As you can see, we trade currency pair, which is GBP USD. What is currency pair? So this is where this is getting deeper. Maybe I will cover part of it and then um in my next episode I will take it from the currency pair also. So but let me just give you let me briefly explain what currency pairs means. So as you can see now, this place you can see GBP USD, so which means that a two different countries, are paired together. GBP is a currency from Great Britain. We all know pound sterling, right? And we all know USD. So we all know that two different countries are spending this space and this currency, right? While USA are spending in US dollar, we Nigeria are spending in naira, and the pounds and all this England and London people, right? Other all these Britons are spending in what? In pound sterling. So in forex trading, what they did is that they compare two currencies together and make it one. So on this GBP USD now, so if I'm trading GBP USD, rather, is a form of currency pair. I don't want to get deeper in order not to make this video long. And if I'm trading Euro USD, we all know Euro, right? That is a currency pair. Even for the commodity, they pair gold with USD. We all know the formula for gold is which is XAU in a scientific name, right? And then we all know USD. So that is all about currency pair for now and for the commodities. So thanks for watching, guys. I don't want this video too long, so because it's a boring movie, it doesn't sweet, but it's an educational video, right? So thanks for watching, guys. Stick to the channel. So in episode 3 we will divert more on the currency pair, so you know the insights of the currency pair.